Hi everyone, I hope that you guys are doing really great out there, and I am Gulsan and also welcome back to the second part of the video on how to start your study abroad process. And if you are watching this video for the first time, and if you are new to this video, do not worry, because I have already created a video discussing about the 5 points, and I'll be sharing the link of the previous video in the description box below. And let's recapitulate few things from the previous video.
Yeah, it's rewind time.
In the first video, I have mentioned about 3 points, and in this video, I'll be continuing with the rest of the 2 points. And those 3 points were choosing the right program for yourself, then it was choosing the right college and universities and country, and the third point was evaluating your finances. Okay, to know more in detail about these, please go and check the previous video. So let's start the video. Now that you have started the process of studying abroad, and you have thought about planning it all, and you have started to evaluate your finances, now it's time to concentrate on the rest of the points that are also important. And the fourth point would be collecting your application kit. When I say application kit, I mean collecting all your documents that you have, or which is necessary to attach when you apply for universities outside. So there are few certain components as follows, such as you will need a valid passport, then you will need a CV, then it is going to be followed by a statement of purpose and a letter of recommendation, and also your academic documents like your class 10 certificates, your class 12 certificates, if you have done diploma in any, that certificate, and also your graduation certificate or other educational certificates that you have. And also with that, you will have to give a certificate of English proficiency, that is known as TOEFL or IELTS. And also you have to attach scorecards of standardized tests such as SAT and ACT for undergraduates, and you have to also attach GRE for graduate levels and GMAT for MBA programs. Okay, and along with that, you will also attach certificates of co-curricular activities. For example, if you are good at sports, you can use that certificate. If you are good at dancing, you can use that certificate. If you are good in editing, and so on, so things. Okay, so you have to attach all these certificates. And last but not the least, you will also have to attach a portfolio. Portfolios are basically for people who want to pursue designing degrees, okay, or they want to learn about designing, or they have designing skills. For them, they also have to attach their portfolios with their own creative templates. And while you're collecting all your documents and you have almost there for your process ending, and you are maintaining your documents at one place, alongside you also have to maintain your timeline. Okay, your timelines and the deadlines of admissions in colleges. Why it is necessary? Because as you know that studying abroad is expensive, as well as it is a very long process. Okay, like collecting all your documents, selecting colleges, choosing the right program, everything needs research and it takes a huge amount of time. So I would suggest you to start as early as possible. It can be nearly about 18 to 24 months before the date of course commencement. Okay, because while you're collecting your data, while you're stacking up all your informations at one place, any delay at one or more step can also delay your chances for admission in colleges, or it can create a problem for your financial aid, or it can also affect your scholarship. So it is always suggested before that you should start early. And yes, that is pretty much it about how to start your study abroad process and how to maintain your timeline and how to maintain your documents and how to start with your programs, how to do your research. Everything has been told, and that's all for this in this video. Okay, and yes, that's pretty much it for how to start your study abroad process. And in both the videos I have discussed 5 points which will help you to start the process. And that's all for today, guys. And also, if you want to stay updated with top universities, top countries, and also application deadlines, please connect with us at Student. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, and if you really like the information that we share with you, please hit the subscribe button. And also, if you're watching this video on any social platform other than YouTube, please like and share it with your friends. Thank you, and all the best.